Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do.
Welcome back, guys. Here with My Quality Hair today. And I like how minimalistic the packaging is. It does have a brand name in the front. It says professional hair supplier, and it's just black and white. We got the bag with the wig here. I also got a wig cap, rat tail comb. I like the fact that this is a colored one, and two of these clips. That's everything. And this is the wig. So what I have for today's wig, okay, this is a upgraded clear lace clean hairline kinky straight undetectable skin melt HD lace front wig. Okay, yeah, I know the name is pretty long, but you have to know, you know, it's perfectly pre-plucked. And this is a gorgeous 13x6 parting wig. Love that. For me, it's pre-bleached, pre-tinted, pre-plucked. Everything is pre. So it's completely customized for you straight out of the box. You don't have to stress out yourself. So, oh, you got to bring this to the hairdresser, so they got to do all of this for you. No, just go and practice with couple hair wig installation video and you got this. Okay, the hair, they make it so easy for you to just continue practicing and then install it yourself, and you look like you've been to the hairstylist. Looks really good. So the inside of the cap looks like this. Has extra elastic band for more security. 3 combs, you know, on the inside, and adjustable straps in the back. It is 12 inches long and it's 150% in density. It's very fluffy, and you know that classic kinky texture. Yeah, it's a bob one. So we're gonna straighten this, have that nice blown out look. Yeah, it's a natural hair color, as you can see as well, and it's a medium cap size. It's kind of different for me to get this texture here in 12 inches. I'm always doing at least, you know, 18 or 20. So this is different, and you know, it's just, as I said, different. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into installing this. Let's go. This just feels so different because, as I said, I've never tried this natural texture this short. So I'm gonna try to get this, you know, as sleek as possible when I'm straightening it, but like the texture just feels so natural. You know, it's definitely not giving a wig. At this point, you guys know that HD lace, HD Swiss lace, you know, transparent lace, those are some of my favorites to work with. Because, can you tell me why? Tell me where in the comments. But I just love them. Okay, so okay, that looks perfect. That looks perfect. So I'm gonna use Got To Be for this install today. So I love that. So I'm just gonna apply this. I'm gonna speed up this portion of the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Alright, so as you can see, I did my little swoops and stuff as usual. This hair is super full. I'm not getting any shedding. Yeah, I got like 3 strands, so it's minimal shedding. This hair is so thick. So I was wondering, should I do a half up, half down, or should I just do middle part? I think I'm gonna keep it in a middle part. So I'm gonna first, I'm gonna do a center part, as I said, and I'm gonna, lay it. Oh, and yeah, I really want to show off the deep part. Oh my gosh, any wig that has a nice deep part, I just love it. Love it. So it goes all the way back. So I'm gonna take my time and use my wax stick and my hot comb and really just lay it flat as flat as possible, and then afterwards I will go in and flat iron it and get it as sleek as possible. Guys, you see that steam? You see that steam? You see how flat that goes instantly? I love this hot comb. Love it. And it's a nice blunt cut to it. It's a very nice blunt cut to it. So I'm excited to see how it looks after I go through it thoroughly with my flat iron. Oh gosh, this looks so nice. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm just gonna proceed to taking my time to go through the wig to straighten it. So I'm just gonna go through it, nothing that you've never seen before, so I'm gonna kind of speed through this portion.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, baby. I'm digging you. You make me believe.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you.
As you can see, I went ahead and I switched the parting because I felt like, that was just what it was giving for me, at least. It is that, it's kinky straight, so it has that volume to it. But you guys saw as I straightened it how, the movement is there. and as I said, it's very blunt and stuff, the cut, with the cut and everything, so I really like that. It was really easy to work with. I feel like this is for all the people that, you know, you're like, you want to do a wig but you don't want to do the most, you know, you want to keep it cute but you don't want to be like too bold with it, if you get what I mean. Like you just want to give like very natural vibes, but like, yeah, so it's almost like it's perfect. I feel like if you just want to switch up your look but you're not into anything too drastic, this is your wig. This is your wig, because it's giving fresh blowout. As I said before, it's giving fresh blowout on some thick nice hair. Like it's super nice, super nice. So I feel like MyQualityHair, totally a fitting name, because you can feel the quality. It feels like really strong hair. The texture feels really, really nice. I love that. And as I said before, I love the cut. I feel like this is perfect for corporate, and stuff. And even though it has that volume, like, yo, once I hot comb it and everything, you see how flat it's laying, and it's giving scalp. Okay, it's giving scalp. So shout out to MyQualityHair once more for this bomb wig. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications on this wig in my description box as usual, so please go ahead and check that out if you're interested in getting the wig, because the link will also be down there. So yeah, go ahead, treat yourself. You know, it's coming up to springtime, summer is coming. If this is your vibe, go ahead and get it. It's really beautiful, really gorgeous. It's a really cute bob, you know. You could even go ahead and curl this up if you wish to. It's all up to you. The texture is very much like so natural. I love it. It's really cute. Really, really cute. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look, today's install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. You know your girl keep you up to date on the wig looks. So yeah, don't want to miss out on when I drop the new wig videos, because you know I don't keep one look too long, right? So yeah, that's the vibes for now. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.